What's up, guys? This is Big Sam here, Bigsamsfstops, and we're talking photography. And today, I have something in here that I'm going to unbox, and I'm not going to tell you what it is until we're into it. This was sent to me. I bought this on eBay, and I had it eBay UK, and I had it sent to my brother-in-law Joe. Shout out to Joe, my brother-in-law in London. And he sent this down to me in Nigeria through a friend who was traveling down. Let's just see what's in here. I'm saving the surprise because I don't know what to expect. It's a little finicky, so start very tightly. Okay, there we go. There it is. It's the GoPro actually didn't know initially that all these GoPro cameras, according to their color, they're different in some ways. Okay, look, let's just skip this over quietly and bring this out. And then that's pretty much it. So as usual, put the carton aside and let's start with the camera. I've always been amazed by this thing. I mean, the quality of videos that you get out of this is just amazing. We'll get to that in a minute. Let's set that aside. Let's look at the accessories box. Lots of loose things in here. There's a mount, battery, charging cable, and sticky based another mount. And then that's your basic camera with the mounting bracket below it. Now, truth be told, I have no experience in using the GoPro camera. My inspiration to get this GoPro camera came from my daughter AC. She was going to do a program somewhere, and she kind of had to go rent one. And I thought to myself, okay, if she's going to be needing this from time to time, then I think I'm going to be needing it too. But I have no experience in using it. One thing you can be sure of is that, once I get into it, then we're going to come back and do a video about this, share experiences in using this camera. Actually, there's quite a lot of accessories which I haven't gotten yet, but I plan to get them. And then I'll begin to use this, I'll get into it, and then come back and share my experiences with it to you. Now, if you've also used the GoPro cameras, any one of them before, please let us see how you use it, what you use it for, share that experience with us. I'm sure a lot of our viewers would like to share that experience with you. And I'd like to know also, because I'm always open to learning new things. And then we can begin to interact on this. But before then, don't forget to like, comment, share. It's just an unboxing. I don't have the specifications here yet, but in another video I'll be sharing all of those specifications and all of that with you. And we'll see how it goes from there. My name is Big Sam. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button so that when the next video pops up, you'll be the first to see. Thank you very much for being with me today. I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye.